Hey guys. Um, so just to remind you, my name is Pam. What I'm doing um, is working with the coordinated entry point. Over break, I did do a cross-country move from Boise, Idaho to Florida, right outside of Destin. We're really enjoying the area. But while in Boise, I worked with the coordinated entry point for Boise County. And what that means is that we were responsible for assessing, identifying barriers with the homeless population, which encompass the single and um, family groups. And luckily, I was able to transfer, being it's a national program, to the agency, the coordinated entry point for Walton and Okaloosa County in Florida. So that is what I'm doing again. One thing I really enjoy about my field experience so far is just the diversity. There is so much diversity, and you never know what you're going to be getting. Every day is different. You may be experiencing substance use, mental illness, domestic violence, all in one day. So it's always exciting and interesting, and it really gives me that chance to put some of my clinical skills to use and some of the different interaction techniques and to use and really get hands-on experience. One challenge that I'm facing is obviously the move, and coming to a new agency in a new area. There are different resources available, and the programs run it slightly different. And so that is something that's a big challenge that I'm facing right now, is trying to learn, and just kind of get my feet under me again with transferring agencies. One thing I've learned about myself is that this most definitely is what I want to do, and this is the field that I want to be in. It really has just confirmed that desire to help people just overcome whatever obstacles they're facing. So that is about it. I wish you all the best throughout the semester, and look forward to getting to know each other just a little bit better. See ya.